How you actually can add some photos is you need to get the Frameo app. You can get it on Google Play or the App Store and actually create an account. It'll prompt you to because you have to if you actually want to use the app. And you can actually just click on this option in the top right hand corner and actually add the code, the pairing code that will appear on your screen when you turn this on. Now, once you've actually entered in your pairing code for the frame, to add photos, all you need to do is you click on these three little dots, this grid on the bottom middle of the screen, and you'll be brought to this panel like so, where from here you can actually select any of these photos in your camera roll or videos and just add them into the frame that you actually are connected to on this page like so. And as you can see, you can also filter this just by any of your albums that are on your phone right here. And to add photos, you just click on it again and then click on this little arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And as you can see, you can select any of these frames that you actually want to add it to. In this case, I'm just checking this box right here. And then you click on this little arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the screen again. And as you can see, we can write a caption to our photo if we want. And once you do that, you just click on the arrow once again in the bottom of the screen, and you can actually adjust for the center of the photo so that the center of the photo is the focus that shows up in the center of the screen. Now, unless you want the center of focus to be this branch or something way off to the side, I recommend just leaving it in the middle most of the time. And once you've actually adjusted your focus, you click on send photo, and you've actually just sent your first photo to the frame. You can do individual photos like I just showed you, or you can actually hold down on one of these photos and select multiple and just add them all to the frame, again with the arrow, and you can adjust them and then click on send and they will actually be sent into the frame, and just add it to the rotation like so. And when you touch on the screen, just tap anywhere in the middle, you can actually have a bunch of these settings options. You have adding a person in the top left. You can actually add any person using this code right here on screen. Now you can send this to any person in your family. Now if you gifted this screen to your grandmother, for example, you can copy this code and send it to any relatives on your screen who are using the app, and they can basically add the code using the exact same way that I showed you on this side of the screen over here.